Hello internet world and welcome to a new video. It's a watch video today. If you've watched my videos regularly, you'll know that I really am into my traditional timepieces. I love a really good wristwatch, and today this one I'm going to share with you is from BOLDR. It's their BOLDR Venture, a slightly smaller watch, 38mm in a nice titanium case. Full disclosure, this was sent in to me free of charge by BOLDR. I'm going to share with you my honest opinion. Most of it is good. There are a couple of little things I want to discuss with you in the video as well. Without further ado, let's take a look at how this is presented. So when you buy one of these, it does come in a really nice slimline presentation box. Inside that presentation box, you get an instruction card, which is going to get you up and running with the timepiece. Shows you how to set the time and wind the watch. You'll also get what I think is a little sticker with their logo on. You'll also get some information about how to get in contact with BOLDR Supply Company, and you also get a warranty card. Now the watch itself is presented inside this little tiny sort of wallet or pouch, and this is one thing I think could slightly be improved. It's not a deal breaker, but I'm just not a fan myself personally of this type of pouch, but it is very nice in its own right. It's got this like wraparound cord. I think it's made partly of leather, partly of canvas, and inside there are some little pockets. One pocket here where you can keep your sort of warranty card, and then the other side where you can actually put your watch. You could use this to actually use as a travel case for two separate watches as well. Now moving back to the watch itself, as I mentioned before, this is the BOLDR Venture, and it comes in a 38mm size, so a really nice compact size. Looks wonderful on the wrist, as you can see here. It's not a very slimline watch, but its dimensions do lend itself to be very versatile to wear for both casual and a little bit more formal events as well. The movement inside is a Japan S2 NH35A automatic movement. It's got a water resistance of 200 meters or 660 feet or 20 ATM. The crown is a screw down crown, which is custom embossed with the BOLDR logo. The dial is printed in a matte finish with superlume as well. And that crystal on top is a flat sapphire crystal with an anti-reflective coating. Now this particular one is presented on a nylon NATO strap with custom titanium buckles. The case thickness is 14mm and the lug size is 20mm, lug to lug 42mm. Now there are 4 different versions of this available. There's this one here, which is the carbon black. There's also a Venture Sandstorm, which has got a nice white coloured face. There's also a Venture navy blue, and last but not least a jungle green. So 4 great options there. My personal favourite happens to be this one. I think it just looks absolutely fantastic. A very sort of understated design, but at the same time very interesting. I love the curves, I love the bevels, I love the finish to the case, and I just really like how it feels on the wrist. It looks absolutely superb. A really robust movement inside, and it's also very affordable as well. So do I recommend this? Well, I think if you're after an automatic watch that not only looks the part, but also lends to a very interesting design and a very clean and legible design as well, then this is well worth checking out. I've left a link down below to the BOLDR website where you can pick one up for yourself, so please do check that out. And one last thing, if you enjoyed this video, give me some feedback in the comment section below, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks very much for watching everyone. I'll see you in another video very, very soon.